Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Super Paper Craft. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection about your cards, and these this type of cards are of your quilling paper, and we all know that quilling paper is a very best paper and very light in weight as well, and which you can purchase like from any market or any shop as well. So coming back to our topic, guys, as many people ask this question, and as I have told you before in my previous video as well, that quilling paper is very lighter and also lighter than your cardstock as well. So cardstock is a hard paper and quilling paper is a very light paper. So I hope that you are interested in my video as well. So guys, if you are interested in my video and if you're enjoying this video right now, just go to the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And many people have this question that how could you make a card or how could you design a card as well. So as you can see that, like, choose a card or of your template and change the image and add your message as well, and change the background as much as you can, and it's up to you guys that how could you design your cards and how could you design your rooms as well, because these type of cards you can also give like your friends, or it's a birthday party of your friends, so you can give this type of cards with your it's a very beautiful collection and it's very beneficial in like decorating your rooms as well. So I hope that you are understanding my language and I hope that you are interested in my feeling as well. So guys, it's a very latest video for you. So as you can see that in my video, you can see all about your contrast shape quilling paper cards, and you can like give it to any type of event, like if it was like Independence Day or your friend's birthday or your cousin's birthday or it's your birthday, so you can give these type of cards as well. So I hope that you are interested in my video, and share this video as much as you can, and tell me in the comment box that if you haven't subscribed, so just go to the subscribe button and take your 1 second, just go to the subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, guys, if you haven't subscribed, and press the bell icon if you haven't press it as well. And if you're not pressing the bell icon, you will miss all my latest new videos about your craft and about your project as well. So guys, my video almost has been ended now. I hope that you're interested in my video. Allah Hafiz, take care, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.